Welcome to Wholesale and Retail Level 3. This is our third lesson where we are still tackling the topic of distribution centers. Just to recap on the last two lessons that we had. The first lesson, it's where I gave you an introduction to distribution centers. Then the second lesson, it's where I gave you the difference between cross-docking and also storage. Remember, we said there are two methods of cross-docking. The first one is where you are breaking large quantities into smaller quantities, then immediately you send it into our retail stores. We don't store our products when we are doing cross-docking. Then storage, we said it's where we store our products up until it's needed at our retail store. So for this lesson today, we're going to be looking at the breaking of bulk. It's where now we have to analyze what is breaking bulk and when is it necessary to do breaking bulk. So basically, breaking bulk is where we are receiving our stock in large or in bulk. Remember, our suppliers, they do not sell in single items, so normally our product will come in pallets. Sometimes when it's coming from outside the country, it will come in containers. So you'll find that when it comes to our distribution centers, it's where now we have to break the bulk. But there are reasons where there are factors that you have to consider whenever we have to break those particular bulk. So the reasons we look at when we are breaking bulk is because it's safer to transport goods in packs rather than in singles, and also it becomes cheaper for the distribution center to pack 72 cartons than to have 12 smaller cartons carrying 6 items. Then also, the more stock you can fit into a container or truck, the cheaper your transport cost will be. So these reasons will make us to break bulk in our distribution center. Then, before you even think about breaking bulk, there are certain questions that you have to ask yourself and decisions that you have to take if you're a manager at the distribution center. So remember, the entry-level positions that you can get if you have completed your level 3, you could become a puller or a picker at the distribution center. So you have to understand what are the considerations that are there when now a manager decides to say we are breaking this particular bulk. So the first thing that you have to consider, it is where should they do it. So it's very important that you identify a suitable position to break bulk. You cannot just break bulk anyway. You have to understand that what type of product are you breaking. Remember, those small items, if you break them, they're going to get lost. So you must make sure that after you have broken those small items, you immediately put it into lockers. So it's very important you consider the safety of the product and also the place where you are breaking this bulk. And also you should look at when do they do this. So the when part, it's when now you decide, are we gonna break bulk when we immediately receive the bulk, so that it becomes easier for our packers when we store the products in the distribution center, or are we gonna break bulk when we are receiving orders from our retail stores? So it becomes easier if you are breaking bulk when immediately after you have received it and you store it, because it becomes easier for your packers to pick those products when orders are received from our retail stores. Then also you must determine size packs when you are breaking bulk. So now it's very important now you decide, are we going to put it in 12, are we going to put it in 72s, or are we going to put it in 24s? For fast moving consumer goods supermarket stores, if those products are fast sellers, it's better if you're gonna put them maybe in 72s, because you want more. The retail stores, they will want more of that particular product, so it becomes easier if you're gonna pack them in those sizes. And also handling fragile products when breaking bulk. Fragile products, it could also refer to those products that are easily broken. Maybe it's your glassware, it's your glasses, any product that could easily break in the hands of the picker. So when you are breaking bulk, you must take care of these products. If ever they get destroyed, remember that is automatically shrinkage we're going to be experiencing at the distribution center. Then also the impact of sales volume on breaking bulk. Now you have to remember that the products that are there at the distribution center, some are slow moving goods, some are fast selling goods. So when you are packing these products, you have to bear in mind whether are they being sold fast or are they slow moving, because the product that are bought more often, those are fast sellers. You need to pack them in volumes that will accommodate the store, which will last the store longer, and you won't find customers complaining that they have ran out of stock because of you at the distribution center. You haven't packed enough volumes for that particular product. So in this lesson, these are the things that I wanted to share and teach you. So a particular question that could come from this section, it's these questions, the considerations. What are the things that you should consider when you are breaking bulk? Remember, now at level 3, it's no longer about you just naming only. You have to discuss also. If the question says what a manager will consider when they're breaking bulk, these are your typical answers that we're going to be expecting from you when you are giving us the answer. Thank you very much. Please complete activity 1.3 in your workbook. It's about breaking bulk, and try by all means to read your textbook again if you don't understand, and also go through this video if you missed anything. Thank you very much. See you on our next lesson.